Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to step on it.
Go some more. Alright, Lacey, you can do it.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Olivia can do it.
I'm scared, dude.
Do it.
Cause that's water.
Olivia, do it.
Oh shit.
Before you take it all water. Keep going. You could have kept going. Dude, look at that big chunk of ice. I want to grab it. Grab it. Okay. But do your legs like this, like I was.
Oh my shit.
Grab it. That.
Shit.
Grab it.
That is a huge ass chunk of ice. Damn, Haley. That is not huge. Get the.
I know. What do you think I'm doing?
Is it cold as hell? That is cold as hell. Oh shit!
I needed you to help me get up. Alright. That was awesome.
This is thick as. Oh my god! I wanna go back on the white. Can we go back on the white real quick? Cause down here it was some white.
Okay.
It's snowy today. No, it's not. I'm kidding. Woo! Oh shit!
Ice, man. Dude, I'm walking back because some of it's too lovely. Dude, look.
This is like not hard. That's where it comes down right here. Yeah, that's mud. That's mud. I can't walk in there because I have Ugg boots on.
I don't want my face.
Olivia walked all in that crap.